Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Ashley's calling me. I'll be back. Alrighty, I am back. So as you guys don't know, but Mayang has gone to Orlando for a YouTube event, so I am home alone with the baby and the dog because I was actually gonna go before, but then there are some events where I cannot take the baby with me, and then I'll be in the hotel rooms. I just didn't want to be stuck there. So that's why we decided that I stay back and he's gonna go. For me, it was just that one of us need to attend it because we need to gain the knowledge and all that stuff. So yeah, he's gone to Orlando. He'll be back on Monday, and I am editing a video, and this video is like so special and so good because first of all, it's related to food, and then second of all, it's a plant-based review product for baking goodies and chocolate chips and maple syrup. So any plant-based people out there, or if you're allergic to so many other things like lactose and whatever, this is perfect for you because it's sugar-free, plant-based, and they taste so good you won't even know the difference. I think I'm gonna get these from now on because guilt-free, sugar-free, you know, and I do so much of baking, so it's gonna be perfect for me. And their maple syrup is also so good, and if you guys love peanut butter cup, you need to try it. So good. So I'm just editing that video. I'm gonna post it right now. You guys can check it out. By the time this video will be out, this is already gone into the channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that notified button, the bell icon, so you get notified every time I post the recipe. So basically, baby is sleeping right now. That's why over here sleeping right now, so I'm quickly editing the video. And because Mayank is not here, I don't have a lot of stuff to do. No one to talk to, so Ashley called me, Ashley and Nitish, and they wanted to go to the mall, so I will be joining them. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and for now, let's just go ahead and edit the video. Editing is done. I am gonna quickly unload the dishwasher and then also make my lunch. I am gonna make salmon with some salad, and I have some little bit of rice, so I'm just gonna use that. And yeah, yes, let's complete the work before the baby wakes up. In my lunch, I have salmon, I have some leftover salad from yesterday, and some rice. So I'm just gonna do this in my plate and enjoy it. It was super quick. I made the salmon in the oven. I have some salad here, and this is like a poppy seed dressing salad. It's so good with nuts and cabbage. It's like all healthy stuff. And then I have some rice here and salmon. I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch. The baby is still sleeping over here. It's his, like, he slept a little too much today, so it's good because in the afternoon we are gonna go out to the mall, so he might not get his 2.5 hour 3 hour sleep, so that's why it's good he slept a little more today. I'm ready. I am just gonna pack up Aiden's stuff because they said they're getting ready, so I start getting ready before everyone so that I can pack up Aiden's stuff and his bottle and his all the stuff. So yeah, we're going to the mall. I'll take you guys with me to the mall and we'll check out. I don't really have anything planned to buy. I don't plan on buying anything at all because they are going to cruise, not me. So that's why, but still, let's go, and I'll see you guys when they're here. For them to come, Arjun is also ready. He is wearing Year of the Tiger 2022. Hello. So normally his nap time is between 10 to 10:30 in the morning, and then he wakes up 1.5 hours. Today he woke up at 12:30, and then his second nap is around 2:30, and then he wakes up around 4:30, mostly 4:30. But I think today the afternoon nap is gonna be in the car or in the mall. So yeah, I really don't like, hold on Bobby, I really don't like missing his naps because then it makes him cranky, and then I don't want to be dealing with a cranky baby. So that's why I make sure that he naps properly, and then he always stays happy, like a tummy full and a happy baby. So yeah, where do you want to go? Now that he has started crawling, he doesn't want to be sitting anywhere. Look at him, he's standing. and he just wants to be standing every single place that he can stand. Like he wants to hold this, the railing, and stand. Look at him. I think he's gonna start walking very soon. And also look at my baby hair. Oh my god, I have no idea what to do with them. I just want them to grow super fast so that I don't look so weird. Anyways, it's a very hot day outside, so thank god we are going to the mall, but I don't want to be hot in the outside. I don't know what I'm doing for dinner, because normally if Mayang is here I would be like, babe, what do you want to do? What do we want to do for dinner? And then we'll decide and we'll make the dinner. But this little dude is gonna be drinking milk, so, and I don't want to be drinking milk. Dada? Dada is not here. Dada is gone home. Dada is going to Orlando. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Ooh. Look at you in the camera. Do you see yourself? What are you doing, Misha? Alright, so we are out. Here's Aiden, here's Ashley, and Nitish. So we are going to the mall. He's probably gonna sleep, so hopefully we get to have some fun. Alrighty, so we are in the mall and we're having our pizzas. Ham, pineapple. You're having chicken ranch?
Chicken bacon ranch.
Chicken bacon ranch, and he just had his milk.
Show you a pizza?
Yeah, it's pineapple. Ham, pineapple. It's so good. For you, Cookie? Look. Tummy full? Nuh-uh, no pizza for you, Bubby. You can't eat it. I don't think so.
I don't know, Ganesha, Shiva.
Alrighty, we are going back home. We had pizza and stuff. We got some coffee. We had a nice time. They shopped. So yeah, we're going home now. I'm back home. I didn't take any of his afternoon nap, so he was a little cranky in the car. So hopefully he doesn't sleep right now, but he passes early in the night, passes out. So yeah, that was my day. And then in like an hour or so, I'm gonna take Marvel for a walk with Aiden, and then probably he'll go to sleep around 7. So hoping for that. He is playing right now in his play area. There he is. Say hi. Can you say hi? Hi. Can you say hi? Anyways, it was a fun day. It was a fun day, and I'm going to end this vlog right now because there's nothing much that I'm gonna do in the evening. I'm just gonna have like relax at home. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 2 of staying.